What I like about this city is the energy. You don't find this energy anywhere else. You really get this Afropolitan vibe, and that's why we're here.
UOMA is a reflection of the love of my heritage. Life began in Africa, and so we are all Africans in the end.
Yes, Lord.
It's changing the game with its new inclusive line of products.
This is the story of inclusivity rewritten. Until UOMA Beauty, the beauty industry had a very set definition for inclusivity. A very Anglo-centric idea of beauty.
Okay, there's been plenty of us, whether you're on the paler side or the deeper side, that have felt left out.
The shift was almost that, hey, we're not welcoming you in here.
People have made me look white in so many of the magazines and campaigns I've shopped for.
For me, I celebrate uniqueness first.
Who taught you to hate yourself from the top of your head to the soles of your feet?
UOMA means beautiful in Igbo, the native language from southeastern Nigeria where my family is from. Through the brand, we reframe the outdated notion of victimhood and showcase instead a pride and a culture of great resourcefulness. I set out to create a beauty philosophy that began and ended with acceptance and celebration. No division here, only unity and love.
There is no shade in that beauty.
UOMA is reflective of the diversity of the human race. Beauty comes in every color, and we intend to wear them all. We are rhythm, we are color, we are free. We're unapologetic, we are Afropolitan, we are beautiful, we are UOMA.
We teach you to love the hair that God gave you.